Boss, we have a visitor.
Lovely. Tell me what we know about them and I'll ring our advertisers.
Okay, right away.
Boss, they're all blurry. I don't think we have any data on them. That can't be right. We have 666 tracking cookies on our website. We have data on everyone. Hey Google, what's going on?
Hello, welcome to the post-cookie era. We have disabled third-party cookies in our Chrome browser. Please use our Topics API to access a predefined list of topics to target advertising to site visitors.
Hey Google, what are these topics?
One moment and Google Assistant's assistant will be right with you.
Hello there. Do you mind if I turn this off? It feels a little surveillance-y and they really do not like that word. Fine. Great. So you want to know about topics. It's actually really simple, and it's actually so simple that it's getting criticized for being too simple. Isn't that funny? Well, I think it's funny. Anyway, as to the topic at hand, see what I did there? Fine, I can see that my humor is wasted here, so topics. As a person visits websites, we gather information about the topics of the websites that they visit based on the host names of the websites. For example, if someone visits dogs.com, we assign them the topic of dogs because our super advanced machine learning technology can infer that that website is probably related to the topic of dogs. Isn't that impressive? Back to the topic at hand. Each week, we associate 5 topics to that individual. To help ensure privacy, sometimes we select a wildcard topic that has nothing to do with the sites they visit. We then randomly select one topic from these 5 to be assigned to them for that week. Then, after 3 weeks, we have 3 topics that we share with websites and the third-party ad tech providers that websites use to target people with ads. See? Simple. Sure. But answer me this. Why aren't we able to see even one topic for the person that's visiting our website right now? Oh, easy. The ad tech provider that you use didn't have their code on any websites related to the 3 topics assigned to this person this week. But, you know, better luck next week. What the